Hi everyone, my name is Thomas Kim. Today is July 27th, 2019. This is my 23rd episode about graph in C++. In this episode, we will learn how to select first n types from a type list or select last n types from a type list. For more advanced type functions and modern C++ programming technique, please double-click this link. By watching this series of videos, you can learn more advanced type functions and how to implement type list. In this episode, I will explain how to select first n types or last n types from a type list. Without further ado, let's get started. Start Visual Studio Code. Under CPP extension, select Graph Subfolder. Click this button, 23, first, last, n types.cpp. Hit enter. In this episode, I will not explain how to implement, but I will explain how to use. Include, talk, play, fun, output, HPP, namespace, types, talk, play, fun, types, talk, play, fun, access stream, auto, ender, talk, play, fun, ender, void, test, first, and types. int main. I will copy this function name. I pasted it here. I define type list like this using types t types type list t. It has a short, int, float, double. So we defined a type list, then we can display string types t, and then with this start your command prompt. You should be in CPP extension graph subfolder. We'll be using Clang compiler, std, C++ 17, 23, first, last, n types.cpp. Hit enter. CLS. So we defined short, int, float, doubles, 4 types. Now from this type list, we will select types like this using first 0 types 1 types first n types 0 short, int, float, double. Okay, now I copy 1 to paste, 2 paste, then I will modify the type name 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I will modify it. We select 1 type, 2 type, 3 type, 4 type, 5 type. Please note that it has only 4 types. Then we display stream first 0 types first 0 types 1, and there. Now I copy, paste 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, stream, and there. Now I copy this part once again. Now I modify it into 2, and I modify it into 2. Also, I modify it to type list. Types T. Copy once, paste, 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 paste. Now we will run this function. Start command prompt. We build once again CLS. So from this type list we select 0 first type, so there is no type. We select 1 types, so short is selected. We select 2 types, so short int is selected. In case of 4, we select all short int float double, short int float double. More than 4, 5 types, we just select 4 types. This is the same. Please note that Clang++ version, I use Clang version 8.0.0 over M664 MinGW 64-bit build. If you are using Clang, the same version but Windows package, then you have to start this command prompt and you can compile like this: std C++17 xclang app lto visibility public std 23 first last and types.cpp, hit enter. In this case, I am using Clang version 8.0.0 installed over program files llvm bin folder. CLS, hit A. Now it works the same. If we are using GNU compiler, we can compile like this. If we are using Microsoft compiler, then CL EHSC std C++17 23 first last and types.cpp, hit enter. Then it is created. FE AEXE CLS. So we compiled using Microsoft compiler. Now I copied this function once again. I copied it and pasted it here. I will change it test last and types. Then I will modify first to last. Then I modify the type name. Last, 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 last. I modified all occurrence of first to last. Now I copy this function name and paste it here. I disable it. We build using Clang compiler once again. CLS. Now from this type list, we select last 0, last 1 type, last 2 types, so float double, last 3 types, int float double, last 4 types, short int float double. This is the same. If you want to know how to implement this first n types function, right click, go to definition, then right click, go to definition, then you can find how these first n types type functions are defined. It is quite challenging, in fact quite advanced. Also, if you want to know how the last n types are implemented, go to definition and go to definition. Then you can find how these type functions are defined or implemented. In some future sessions, I will probably explain how to implement these type functions. I will upload complete source code to my website, extension talkplayfun.com. By the time you watch this video, you can click this button to download complete source code. And if you unzip the downloaded file, in the CPP extension grep subfolder, you can find the complete source code. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.